Everyone, welcome to my first video on the Bellingcat Open Source Challenges, where I will be solving the open source challenges in Bellingcat. Today I'm going to be explaining how to do the natural wonders section of this challenge, and as the days goes by I will post videos on the urban exploration, maritime mysteries and globetrotters. Without further ado, let's get started. First challenge we have is up the creek. So here's how we do this. Let's first save the image. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the image and we can find this. So it's just a random lake here. The way to do this is to simply go to gimple.com and upload your photograph. And on uploading we get this. So we can just open this up on the map. And you can see the name of the river right here. Okay, so when we get the satellite view here, you can see that the image was most probably taken somewhere here. So that's the way you solve the first challenge. Let's go to the second one. You don't need to include river, you just need to put this name. I can't pronounce this, so I will just click on this bit here, right? This name. Yep, so that's the first challenge. Let's go to the second one. The second challenge reads as follows. Hot stuff, who's fighting this wildfire? Names change, and in open source research it's often useful to find up-to-date information about the names or designations of people, places and things. The large number identifying this helicopter has been changed since this photo was taken. Can you find its new number? So this is it, and we are given an image. Let's save it again and let's open it up on Google Images. So we just need to get details on the helicopter. So what I will do is focus my search completely on the helicopter. Right, it doesn't matter exactly where its location was taken. So we just search about this helicopter and we get a bunch of things and not a lot of hints going on here. And you can see this right here. Right, so there's this word bombers. That's going to be a good hint for us. So let's go. And so we can see this, right? This looks pretty similar to what we have. It's 31 though, but you can see it's pretty similar. So let's try and find helicopter 21, shall we? So do we have any other details? No. So and you can see we have this right here, and look at this. So we have this, right? And then we get this as well. So let's check it out. So as you can see, this was taken in 2021 and this is most definitely our helicopter, and we have the letters here. Now what our question tells us is that as of July 2024 this has changed. So let's try and find an image of this in July 2024. Is it? Yeah, so this was uploaded on July 2024, and you can see this is our answer. So our answer is going to be ECMQR and 11. So this is your answer. And I think that is what I submitted there as well. Yes, ECMQR 11. All right. Next question says Alpine Adventure. Sometimes you just need to escape it all. The mountain lake is a perfect place to relax and enjoy the view. What is the name of this body of water? So once again, let us save the image and then let's open it up. So you can see something like this. All right, not very bad or anything. So let's take a look. So let's go to images.google.com again and upload our image. So it's the mountain lake here. And instantly we have this Rocky Mountain National Park. And as you can see, we also have this exact creek cliff here. So as you can see, the picture is the same. We can find all this. So I believe the name of this place must be Bear Lake, right? There we are. So all it took was one reverse image search and we figured it out. This ain't Geoguessr, bro, so you can absolutely use reverse image searches. So Bear Lake is our next. So let's once again save the image. Before that, let me read the question. Are you feline lucky? A cat sits impatiently as Bellingcat's Michael blah blah blah. Hello cat, in what town does this cat reside? Once again, let's save the image, open it up. So you can see there's a cat, very distinctive features actually, like see very nice architecture and all that. So let's see what we can do. Once again, images.google. Let's head to images.google and upload our image. And I don't want the write-up, so that's okay. Now you can see the obvious problem here is that it's focusing more on the cat than on the actual image. One, instead of actually this thing, we can focus on a piece of the image that is up here, like this, and you will get different results, right? So you can see that there are a bunch of these. Once again, why am I getting the write-ups? Okay, so you can see that there are a lot of things, and you can see that from the looks of it, we are in Montenegro, but where in Montenegro is a question. So let's try narrowing it down even more by moving here, and it'll change even more, and you can see a bunch of these. And so I checked out all of these, not the write-up obviously. And so there it leads us to this Instagram post where this guy is somewhere, and you can tell that the name of this city where we are now is Kotor. What tells me that? This lamp post right here. So with that, I could tell that our city was found, and that is also the answer here. Now the next question I arguably found the hardest, which is too tired, this is exhausting. Jake's motorbike is in the middle of nowhere. Jake parked his motorbike to take a photo of the beautiful landscape. He was too tired to continue riding, so he decided to camp out for the night. What is the name of the camping area that is nearest to this location? Right, so that's all there is. Now, this took me the longest time to solve because I absolutely got hung up on a rabbit hole, which I will explain as we go. So first, let's try our trusted reverse image search, because most of these questions just happen to be solved by doing one of those. And what happens, our first issue is it focuses on the bike. It is focusing on the bike and not on the actual view or anything like that. And second, if we try and focus on one piece of the image, like this mountain here, you can tell that, so it says that it's in Alaska. Spoiler, it's not in Alaska. I checked so much, and none of the areas in Alaska sort of match the profile here. Though you would be tempted to think, right? You would think that this, you would be tempted to think that this is it, because it is also a lot of gravel and sea. It's sort of got a vibe match, but it's not. So what you should do instead is to use this website called cleanup.pictures. What this will allow you to do is remove the motorcycle completely from the background. So here, see, I'll just take the brush and get rid of the motorcycle because it's completely irrelevant to our challenge. So see, I'll get rid of this. It's okay, the shading doesn't have to be exact. Something like this, right? And let's get rid of it. And there you go. It's sort of context aware filling. You can do this in Photoshop as well. I just don't know how to do it. So that's the reason why I'm doing it here. So let's just save this image and open it up. You can see it looks like this. So now let's search for this image on images.google.com. And now you can see we almost get something completely different. Am I right? Oh wow, okay, it didn't even search the whole image. There we go. And you can see that we are somewhere in Canada, right? And you get this particular thing. So when you just hit this link, gravel travel, and you see we get the Dempster Highway. So we can follow this rabbit hole, the Dempster Highway. So you can see the mountain ranges and all of that over here. So now so now we need to hunt for some campsites. So let's hunt for some campsites. So let's see what intel we have. So what is the name of the camping area nearest to this location? So let's just search for this. So you can see this right here, Tombstone Mountain Campground. So I just checked this out on Google Earth to ensure that we have the right place. So let's just copy this out. So you can see it's named a little differently on Google Earth, but that's okay. So we just enter Tombstone Campground here, and that is how you solve it. And so that's it for today, guys. And if you enjoyed the video, please share, like, and subscribe. Bye bye.